This tutorial guides you through converting Word documents to PDF using SaaSBox's online tools. You will learn how to search, upload, configure, and convert your files efficiently. Click Search on the Google homepage to begin your query. Fill SaaSBox.com into the search bar to locate the SaaSBox website. Click SaaSBox, compress, merge, split, and convert PDFs online from the search results to visit the site. Switch to the SaaSBox.com tab to access the SaaSBox online tools. Click Word to PDF, convert Word documents to PDF to open the conversion tool. Click Browse File to select the Word document you want to convert from your computer. Fill File section by selecting your Word document for conversion. Click Standard Quality PDF, High Quality PDF, Compressed PDF, Print Optimized PDF to select your preferred PDF quality. Click Preserve Original Word Layout Optimize. For printing, to choose how the layout is handled during conversion. Click Convert Word to PDF to begin converting your document to PDF format. You have successfully converted a Word document to PDF using SaaSBox's online converter. You can now download your PDF or explore other file conversion options available on the platform.